guys, I just got on the plane heading to Medellin, and then after that I'll be heading out to Cartagena.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Saludos desde Colombia.
Bienvenido a Medellin. Hi guys, I'm on my second leg on my trip. So now I'm leaving Medellin and going to Cartagena. Probably be there in about an hour or so. We are at Santa Alejandria Hotel. There's my room. Let's come with a little fridge. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The room is a bit small, but it will do. Just got into Cartagena. This place is pretty wild, man. There's a lot of things to do, a lot of things to see. Well, everything's like a bit overwhelming right now because there's just a lot. It's pretty hot and humid here, so looks like I'm probably gonna try and see if I can find a vendor, maybe grab a soda or maybe a beer. ¿Me da una cerveza, por favor? ¿Tienes águila?
Sí, amigo.
No me cobre el precio gringos, por favor. ¿Y cuánto?
20, precio gringo.
20. Dios mío. 5. Gracias. What do you guys think? Taco Beach? Should I get some dinner and get some tacos? I haven't really eaten any good Mexican food because I'm in Colombia. I should be eating Colombian food. So let's move on. Hi guys, again, I'm here in the streets of Cartagena. It's super crazy out here. A lot of people outside walking around, a lot of things to see. So let's take a look at some more stuff.
Bienvenido a Cartagena, esto es un freestyle para ti, mira la buena. Tienes el pecho fuerte como John Cena. Oye mi amigo, tú te lo mereces. Te parece, mira, a Vin Diesel sin mente huele. Oye patrón, tú al the boss, por eso te rapeo, mira con la sensación. Oye amigo, yo te noto relajado. Tienes el pecho fuerte como Johnny Bravo. Wow, where are you from, patrón?
Estados Unidos.
Oh, de Estados Unidos. Oye, en Cartagena, aquí estamos todos unidos. ¡Viva los Estados Unidos! Oye, patrón, bienvenido a Cartagena. Esto es un freestyle para los buena. Oye, patrón, estás bien cuajado. Tienes el pecho fuerte como Johnny Bravo.
Bueno, tiene el pecho fuerte como Johnny Bravo. Bienvenido a Cartagena para que la pase bacana.
Oh man, guys, you know, you're just walking down the street and it's just people start rapping for you. Freaking pretty awesome, man. Hey everyone, Mr. Lee here again. Hope you're having an amazing day. I'm on my way to Boca Grande, a la playa. Maybe just go out there and relax a little bit. I do have to say the weather out here is beautiful. The view that I'm looking at is spectacular. Can't wait until I get to Boca Grande. Sit next to the beach. I just gotta say I'm sweating like a pig, but I did reach Boca Grande. I'm gonna head into Plaza Boca Grande right now just to get a little AC and just relax a little bit. Maybe get a drink or something like that. So right now I'm inside Plaza Boca Grande. Feels a lot nicer in here with all the AC. Let's take a look and see if we can find a place to get something to drink. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop here and try out some pastries. I think they call them bonos. Don't really know what it is, but let's take a look and see what it's like to get a bono. Am I going to be the first person to ever eat a bono with chopsticks? First bono ever. Pretty delicious. I just finished my bonos and I also had a coffee. I do have to say this is living life. I don't know what gets better than this. Just to hang out here at Boca Grande, enjoying some bono, ready to head out to the beach. Maybe go do some jet skiing. Loving life, as you should. Hey guys, so we're at the beach, a la playa de Boca Grande. You will find a lot of vendors trying to sell you a lot of things, from drinks to giving you massages. But I always tell them if I get something, don't charge me the gringo prices. This place definitely reminds me a little bit of Acapulco when I was there. You can get some ceviches right here. I do want to go jet skiing in a bit. Right now I just want to get some more footage. Gracias. People here are very friendly. I definitely recommend this place. If you guys are coming to Colombia, definitely check out Cartagena, especially the beaches, and out here in Boca Grande. A little bit touristy, but there's a lot of things to do, a lot of people to see. I imagine this place would be a lot more crowded during the weekend. Today is Tuesday. No, gracias, estoy bien. Muchas gracias. If you do decide to come out to Boca Grande, make sure you bring some suntan lotion or you will fry. I will tell you that right now. I'm out here, it's a pretty nice day. I would say probably in the 90s. It is a bit humid, so I am sweating like a pig. But you guys know, I do this all for you guys. Take a look here in Boca Grande. That was a really nice walk. Talked to a lot of vendors, always trying to like get you into underneath their umbrella, serving you drinks and food. I did talk to this guy named Tony Montagna. maybe I'll go back and have a drink over there at his stall or something. Gracias, Tony. Alright guys, so I'm underneath the umbrella here at kiosk number 4, Tony Montaña stand. Tony's brought me some langostas. See if I want to try some, take a look. No, thank you. At least they're working for their money, so decided to get a... Thank you. Gracias. Guys, there's a lot of vendors here. They just won't leave me alone. They maybe think like El Gringo, tiene mucha feria or something. I don't know. But, you know, at least these people are working hard, so I'm here to support them a little bit. I did order some lunch. I got a lobster dinner for lunch. Hopefully that will be delicious. And I did bring in my special pair of chopsticks, so you're going to see me eat a lobster with chopsticks here in Boca Grande in Cartagena. Alright guys, so I just got my lobster. And look, I have fruit plate. Alright, take a look at this big ass chunk piece of meat of this lobster. How am I gonna eat this? Alright, let's go for it. Let's give this a try. Got a little bit of seasoning on it. You guys gotta let me know, am I the first to eat lobster with chopsticks out here in Boca Grande in Cartagena? Starting to get full, but I'm not gonna waste this lobster out here. What else do you want in life? I don't know if I can be any happier right now. Got a great view of the ocean, listen to some good music. Just chow down on a huge ass lobster. This is Mr. Lee, Travel with Chopsticks, living life. I just finished my lobster lunch. Cost me about 400,000 pesos. It's a little over 100 bucks US. A little pricey, but it was a big ass lobster. And plus, when is the next time I'm gonna be out here in Boca Grande and Cartagena? I had a good experience. But just when you guys come out, just be careful of all the tourist traps. There will be a lot of people coming up trying to massage you, sell you stuff, and just say no gracias.